Okay, that one started, and then this one started. Okay, and then we hit this to go live, right? Go live. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Okay, we're live. Yay! So I'm here to open up a Sanyo M7110K mini and slim boombox. Bought this back in January. Wanted to see that it's never been opened and all that. And today is well, it's 29 April, Tuesday, 11:34 a.m. Okay, see that? You can't really see that. Anyway, there is that. Okay, so this is supposed to work. It's supposed to have control scratchy. Cassette player is supposed to work. That's about all I know. Okay, so, and then just, I guess I have to sit down, right? Alright, I really didn't prep this too well, but how's this thing open? I guess it opens there. Let's sit down because I don't want to be falling. Right, so, and you see me, you can see me, I can see me. Okay, great. So, let me just, so I had this since January, and I did bring a cassette. Good, he brought a cassette. Just need to get into this, get it out of here. There is one of these for sale in eBay. It's going for $100. I didn't get it though because I already have the one, and I had one of these I had one of these a long time ago, more than a year ago, or maybe, I think a year ago this month, April of 2024, I sold it. And then I regretted selling it. So I got another one. And I just can't get into this box anyway. Okay, well, we'll just have to scissor into it because I don't know how this one goes. Alright, so normally you can just take the tape off and get into it, but this one's being difficult. There we go. Whoever it was packed this, they packed it really, oh wow, look at this. Okay. They packed this one really well. I mean, if you know what size this box is, but, this is a, a really big something here. So there's a piece of that, some of that. They packed it in this, oh my gosh, this thing's like double boxed. So here it is. Whoops, it's falling out of that. Yep, okay. And we got this. Right, so and way down here in the bottom is a power cord. Why do they wrap power cord in bubble wrap is beyond me. I never do. I mean, okay, so let's get this big box, which is taking up a lot of room in here. And then this. Okay, and now we got to this. It's got a whole lot of bubble wrap around it, which is right here. Right, so, okay, so, and even more bubble wrap. Wow, okay. So, there's bubble wrap there, and then this is what wrapped around here. Where's the beginning of this stuff? Okay, there it is. There's the beginning. Great. So, a piece of tape there. Great. And now we can unwrap this, right? So, unwrap that. This, that. This. And there we go. Still not done. Saran wrap and more bubble wrap for the face. Okay, so let's scissor off the saran wrap. Okay. Yep. Like I said, and this model here does not have line in. So either the cassette player plays and the radio plays, and that's it. And if it doesn't, you need to replace, I think it's just one belt on this machine. I can't remember the size of it, but it's 5 inch or 4.5 inch or something like that. But, so here we are. In case you haven't seen one before, or in a long time, there it is. Looks like that, okay? This end, that little knob on the end there, that's for shortwave. This one does have a stereo expand, okay? Once again over here for this one, right, like that. And there's your shortwave fine-tuning knob, and nothing on this end. And then of course here's the front of it, right? There's the front of it, okay? Didn't show the top of it for you. There's the top of it, and then for whomever's watching this, here's the top of it. Here's your your microphones, your headphone jack. 2 different types of power, either AC or DC. Takes 6 C batteries in the back. The battery cover is there. The antenna is complete, right? We've already got a power source here, which we were using for something else, right? So, not that one. Let's see here. There's this one. Well, we got a power cord here somewhere. Here we go. So, the volume is, turn the volume down. It's on tape. Put it on stereo. Plug it in, plug it in. There we go. Put it on FM. Turn it on. It is on. I don't have any sounds here, so. Alright, so stereo. Oh, didn't put, there's a radio. Okay, so, and then tune it.
And I bet they become employee of the month on 4/21. The number 2 holiday we need is the day after Valentine's Day. Not so he can cheat. Women have V-Day, Mother's Day, every other Saturday. Can that man have a day to relax, play the game, and... Okay, yeah, you probably don't cheat. And the number 1 holiday we need is Squirrel Day. Squirrels are full of energy, productive, and mind their business. You know why? They always have a mouthful of nuts. Your homegirl with a bad attitude deserves this holiday. I'll look D, and that's the D list.
Yo, fam, check out these bangers on the way next.
Remember old dude from 2019, nice clean, did me dirtier than laundry. Took a scroll through his IG just to get a DM from his wife.
Okay, now that we've listened to the radio long enough, and hopefully not get anything on there, here's a famous mixtape that I've made. Alright, I was just checking to see if the fast forward, rewind, and play works. Play works, rewind works, fast forward is iffy because the belt is old. So it needs replacing, but let's see how well it plays. Even the tape kind of works. This sounds really good. No warbling on the sound, if you will. So this is a very good sounding machine. Let's hit the other side, see if we get better sound. Alright. This will need the belt replacement to make the fast forwarding work. Let's see here. Nope. Okay. But rewind will work. Okay. And this also has music search on it. Now the music search should work because I hit the rewind. It's a one-time only automatic music search system, whatever. It just did it. It works well. So, very good shape. I'm happy. This is a keeper. I didn't record the tape very hot, so it's, see which one to turn on first. I didn't record the tape very hot, but let me take this camera off of here. Great, so there's that going on. So yeah, I have an M90 out here, a couple of M90s out here. I got the Crown, I got a 5500, and I've got a old General Electric, and I got a Sony, and I've got a GF5052, I got a Toshiba 8700, I've got this, what is this, little Sonic here, and I've got some other Panasonics, and here's a Sanyo and some other Boss here. Anyway, good day, bye-bye, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.